Good day everyone. I'm Raisa May El Banikid, studying architecture in Far Eastern University, presenting Kinaadman, a proposed sustainable interactive civic center. Kinaadman, a Filipino word, means knowledge that applicable to the planning structure to obtain appropriate different nature. The proposed civic center is depicted as an assembled climate that depends on nearby needs, characterized by the accessibility of specific materials indigenous to a specific area and reflects neighborhood conventions and social practices. It develops after some time, mirroring the qualities of the neighborhood climate, atmosphere, culture, characteristic materials, innovation, and experience of hundreds of years of network building. The proposed civic center looks to make a typology in which a public structure in an advanced metropolitan climate is made to help the network, its government assistance, and livability. The Civic Center looks to rethink the sense and the nature of city living by making an improvement model that benefits general society in which they are found. The Civic Center will be situated at the core of a private and business climate and will be intended to grasp public association as it makes open doors for new practices of learning in a casual setting and will turn into the focal center for a network inside the local, interviewing to an occupant's expansion of their city home. The design considerations are accessibility. The building will be accessible to all the people in the community, especially persons with disability. Security. Security guards and proper surveillance will have proper designation inside the building or the surroundings to ensure the safety of the users. Natural lighting and ventilation. The building will have enough and right opening window and entryways for light and air to pass through, not only for the building but will also with the surroundings. Building laws. All the law promulgated by the Building Code of the Philippines will be implemented. Environment. Vegetation will be developed inside and outside of the building to improve the ambience. Aesthetic. Striking and unique designs showcasing and adopting of the surroundings. Zoning and circulation. Proper zoning and circulation path for the PTLs, the staff of the building, and the visitors. Parking areas. An additional area for private vehicles to lessen the possibility of contribution to congestion. Walkways. Enough walking area can help in promoting a more eco-friendly, active lifestyle facilities. Design strategies. Passive cooling design. Low energy design achieved by building morphological organization rather than electromagnetic means. The climate, natural ventilation in the process of design. Landscape design. Design of external space in aesthetically pleasing, functional, practical, and in complementary manner. Plants and the landscape design itself contribute to the holistic composition of the site. Environment friendly. Materials used in construction are environmentally friendly and cost efficient in the long run. Streetscape. Good flow and accessibility of paths within the Civic Center. Sidewalks are provided for pedestrians so they can walk safely around the area. Project objectives. To provide a better quality environment that will help them to unwind and to relieve their stress by connecting them into the beauty of nature. To build an establishment that offers new learning while having good socializing and other recreational activities to be physically, mentally, and spiritually. To provide great quality of accommodation and design that will captivate many tourists. The The main goal of the Project Kinadman is to develop such structures without compromising the natural features of the land, to show the relationship of structures to the people and the nature. Also, to preserve the great environment that the place do have for it to become best attraction to both foreign and local tourists.